Every successful sales rep knows that a sale begins and ends with trust. But trust is getting harder and harder to earn. Research shows that over 49% of homeowners find it hard to determine which solar installers are trustworthy, and 29% said sales reps' outreach felt spammy. So what's causing this? Many solar tools create proposals that are inaccurate and don't reflect what can actually be delivered. These inaccuracies can lead to change orders, which lead to project delays and ultimately unhappy customers. The good news is Aurora's sales mode just made all these challenges a whole lot easier to solve. So when you're selling to a homeowner who doesn't trust solar companies, help educate them with engaging 3D designs backed by data everyone can feel confident in. With one-click designs powered by AI, you can build your proposal around the homeowner's needs. Even the most junior reps can now build accurate system designs in less than a minute. So whether you need to explain time of use rates, share your company mission, or feature your 5-star reviews, with Sales Mode you won't just build solar systems, you'll build trust. Aurora's Sales Mode. Solar proposals you can build your reputation on. Schedule a demo today.